Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be showing you guys how to fix Spotify not syncing between devices. If your Spotify is not syncing between your phone, laptop or other devices, let's go ahead and start fixing it. First of all, make sure you are logged into Spotify with the same account on all your devices. Many times people accidentally use different devices. Now, second, check your internet connection. Both devices need to be online for syncing to network properly. Third of all, update Spotify to listen latest version on all devices. Go ahead and open your app store or Play Store and then search for Spotify and see if there is an update button available. Sometimes login issues happen because you are using the outdated version of the app. Updating it ensures you have all the latest bug fixes and improvements. Now, if that also didn't help, go ahead and open your Spotify app again and then click on the bottom left corner and then simply go to settings and privacy and hit the logout option and then log back into Spotify. Now, and finally, if you're using offline mode, turn it off because offline mode won't sync across any devices. Follow these steps and your Spotify should sync smoothly across all your devices again. I hope this video helped you on how to fix your Spotify not syncing between devices. If it did, let me know in this comment. Give this video a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.